Hello, dear friends. Welcome back. Every single day, someone loses their Bitcoin forever. Over 3 million Bitcoins have so far been lost. At today's prices, 24th of June 2024, that's 315 billion USD. That's like an entire country, Portugal or New Zealand, losing all its money forever. I never want this to happen to you. Bitcoin can change your life in the future, 10 to 20 years, but only if you keep it safe. I've personally kept my Bitcoin safe for over 7 years, and today I'll share exactly how I do it. If you want to take control of your money safely and with trust, subscribe right now. Let's start at the beginning. When you buy Bitcoin on exchanges like Binance, where is it stored? You have 3 choices. Custodial wallet. Exchange accounts is custodial, meaning exchange holds your Bitcoin. You don't control your private keys. If the exchange closes, your Bitcoin disappears. 2. Non-custodial wallet. Self-wallet. You control your private keys yourself. Apps like Exodus or Blue Wallet are great examples. 3. Hardware wallet. Extra safe. A small USB-like device stores your Bitcoin offline. Safest option, but you must buy them. Quick recap. If you don't control your keys, you don't fully control your Bitcoin. In the next section, we'll explain private keys. Let's keep it simple. When you control your Bitcoin, you manage it through a secret called a private key. It's like your wallet's master password. If anyone else finds your private key, they can steal your Bitcoin instantly. You lose your private key, your Bitcoin disappears forever. Nobody can help you recover lost private keys, ever. That's why it's so important to protect it. Quick recap. Your private key controls everything. Protect it carefully. In the next section, we'll explain the second role of a private key. Your wallet is controlled with a private key. This is also called a recovery phrase. It is usually made up of 12 or 24 words. Think of it as a master password to your wallet. When you set up your wallet for the first time, you get your private key and you set a password. If you lose your phone, your recovery phrase lets you restore everything on another phone. And if you forget your password, you can use your recovery phrase to set a new password, like the forget password settings for your email account. Safety warning. Bitcoin transactions are permanent and written forever on the blockchain. Once stolen, you cannot get your Bitcoin back. Quick recap. Your recovery phrase is like gold. Never share it. In the next section, we'll explain how to keep your private keys safe. Here is your easy checklist to keep your Bitcoin safe every time. Clearly write your recovery phrase on a piece of paper. Store it in a secure place at home. Never save it digitally. No photos, screenshots, or on phones. Never share your recovery phrase, not even with the support teams. Always double-check websites and apps carefully. Stay away from unexpected emails or messages about your wallet. Quick recap. Follow these steps every single time. In the next section, we'll explain how to avoid scammers. Scammers trick people by pretending to be helpful support teams or uses fake websites. Remember this clearly. No real support team will ever ask for your private key or recovery phrase. If someone asks, stop immediately. It's always a scam. Quick recap. Real support team never asks you for your private keys or gives you a website to put your private keys at. Bitcoin is valuable because it's limited. Over 8 billion people want a better life, but only 18 million Bitcoins will ever exist. If something is useful, limited, and in demand, its value goes up. Let this inspire you to protect your Bitcoin carefully. If you already own Bitcoin, you're ahead of most of the world. Be proud of yourself. Your future self will thank you. But ask yourself honestly, will you truly research wallets carefully? Can you keep your private keys safe for the next 10 plus years? If you're unsure, our experience says storing your Bitcoin safely on trusted exchanges like Kraken, Coinbase, or Binance is a good balance of safety and simplicity. Keep saving, keep buying small amounts. This is the real secret. In the next video, you'll learn the biggest mistakes beginners make and exactly how to avoid them. Thank you, my dear friend. Stay safe and see you next time.